Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're looking at pairs and doubling for year 1. What do we need? Our resources today: 1 to 12 number cards for each child, a large dice, mental learning objectives. What are we going to learn today in the beginning of the lesson? Learning doubles of numbers to 10. Learning mental learning task. Can anyone sing this song? The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, an elephant and a kangaroo. They all went into the ark to get out of the rain. Bum ba dum ba dum ba dum bum ba dum ba da. Today's lesson is about pairs or doubles, just like the animals in the ark. To start with, there were no animals in the ark. The ark is a big boat. What number means none? That's right, 0. Nothing means none. How many of the first animals go inside? That's right, you can see there were 2. How many now inside? There are 2 elephants inside, so there are 2 animals inside. 2 animals or a pair. What came next? What animals can you see here? These are the kangaroos. How many do we have? Now, we have the 2 elephants and the 2 kangaroos. How many is that altogether? 2 plus 2, that makes 2 pairs of animals, or 4. Keep going with this list. Pairs, animals. Pause the video to complete the next 2 parts. If we know how many pairs are inside, we can double the number to find the total. What numbers are missing from the animal list? The missing numbers are called odd numbers. These are the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are not in the 2 times table. The animals' numbers are called even numbers: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Write down some odd and even numbers you know. Pause the video while you do this little activity. Numbers in pairs are called even numbers. The other numbers are odd. Mental learning objective. Learning doubles of numbers to 10. Main learning objective. I understand the relationship between doubling and halving. Today we're going to work as a class. Everyone needs a set of 1 to 12 number cards. You will have to give the double of the number thrown on a dice. Whoosh. Roll the dice. Call out a number. Ask a child to cross out that balloon. Keep crossing out the balloons. So if they shout 1, you cross out the 2 because it is a double. balloon was not crossed out. Pause the video until you have done all the other balloons. Number 9 was not crossed out. What number do we need to double to get 9? Now that is a really tricky question for a year 1. The answer is 4.5 makes 9. Main learning objective. I understand the relationship between doubling and halving. Plenary. What dice number did we have to double to make 6? That's right. The answer was 12. 3. We doubled 3 to make 6. If we half 6, we get 3. What is double 5? 5 plus 5 is what? Who can tell me? That's right. Double 5 is 10. What is double 10? 10 plus 10. What does that make? That's right. It makes 20. You guys are awesome. What is double 100? 100 plus 100 is how much? That's right. It is 200. You are amazing. What other doubles are there? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I love uploading maths resources, so I'd love you to see all of them. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.